Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. Alright, they stopped, just hit it. I was in this trade for 5 hours. 5 hours. Let's recap. See what happened, explain what happened. So, that's a long time ago. Make sure I remember what happened. So, I went bullish. When I broke this, my entry was here, my target was here, my stop was down here. I almost hit my target here. I don't know, maybe 30 cents. 30 cents from my target. And that's what it's been doing all day, trying to go and reject. I went to the gym and I came back, nothing was happening. It was just in this area here. So the mark was about to close and I moved my stop closer to this pivot here. So that's it. So that's the trade for today. So doesn't mean the loss, doesn't mean it was, so everything I entered the trade because everything fit my criteria. I didn't do anything wrong. It was no mistake or anything. So this was the trade for today. So just the market didn't follow through. That's what happened. So it's part of trading. You don't have control with that. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.